Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome to my hotel room tour video. But before that, allow me to share from Acts 2 and 25. And I pray that may the Lord go before you always, and may you never be shaken, for he, the Lord, is at your right hand. This is the door. You open it using a card. We have the switches, the washroom switch and the main switch. That's the ceiling. I love it. White, my color. I don't know what this is, so I don't want to switch it on. Maybe you tell me what it is. We have this little mat here leading to the bathroom. Then there's the bathroom. This is the bathroom door. Then just on the right is a sink and a mirror. We have tissues. This is the window. That is the lighting. This is the shower. And we got some soap dispenser. They've provided 2 pairs of sandals, but I'm just alone. This is my cute bag. Then this is my other cute handbag. Then here is a little desk, study desk. So we have this chair and the drawers and a little cute table, water. I love mirrors. And then of course we have a TV. I love the ceiling. It's compact and it's wide. Next of course we have this cute drawer. I like it. Enough for 1 or even 2 people. And then of course you have the window. The curtains are clear and clean. I love this curtain holder. Oh wow, I love it. So that's the window. And then this is just perfect. There's a small mini window here. Nice, right? So there's another view over there. This outer window is not so clear. Let me close it back. I think it's an escape window or something. Then we have these hooks where you can actually hang your handbags. Let me do that right away. I actually don't know what happened to my bag because I've tried wiping off these marks and they're just not coming out, and they're on both sides. So we have those little hooks there, and then we have another window here. So there's enough lighting. I really love this place. Again, I like the curtains. Then we have a mosquito net here, of course clean. And then we have this huge cute bed all for me. I love the fact that the bed sheets are white. So that's the bed. Then of course with the towel. We have a charging port here, and we have these other ceiling lights, cute lights. I love this place. Wow. So let me turn them off. Nice. Then we have this call system here. You can call if you want anything from the bar, restaurant, then you just call and they deliver it. So yeah, generally that's all about the house. I like it. Yeah, let me know what you think about the video. But for me, I like it. I actually came with my water because I didn't know they provide water. That's it, guys. The hotel has a lift as well. My room is in the 5th floor and there are many floors above me. If you enjoyed the video, kindly just take 1 second and give it a like, and also let me know what you think about my minimalist hotel room tour. Until next time, allow me to wish you bye and peace.